Hi everyone, in this tutorial I will show you how to easily start Google Colab and manage the code inside your Google account. And as an example, we will practice how to print Hello World. Check it out. If this is your first time, you can type Colab on your Google search bar or directly go to colabresearch.google.com. If you already have Colab file, they will be listed here and you can pick them for editing. However, because this is our first try, we will create a new notebook. And this is how it looks. You're right, it looks like a Jupyter Notebook. You can also see that the file extension is IPYNB, which is similar to Jupyter Notebook. Before we code, I want to show you how you can choose your device. Colab provides us with free GPU and you can use it for free. I know, you need GPU for print hello world, right? But don't worry, I just want to show you how to pick your free GPU. And let's pick your free GPU. And don't forget to save them. And let's type the code for print hello world. After that, you can run it by clicking the run button right on the left side of the code. Ta-da! You get the result, right? Okay, for the last, you can also rename this file like mine. And if you're curious where the file stored, you can go to your drive. There should be a folder created by default with the name of Colab Notebooks. And you will find the file you just created there. Okay, that is enough for a simple tutorial. In the next tutorial, I will show you how to install a module like using pip and importing them on your project so that you can make use of Google Colab like your Python. Stay tuned and support me by clicking the subscribe button. Thank you.